Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you easiest and fastest way how to create Lollipop chart. So let's get started. First thing that we are going to do is we will add a line chart to our canvas. So select line chart, expand it, and for Lollipop chart we will need two inputs, same as for line chart. First input in my case will be category, and second input will be measure that we want to present, and let's use total revenue as always. Okay, now we have simple line chart. The next thing that we are going to do is navigate to format pane, scroll down and find error bars. Expand this and in options enable them, turn on. Now we have two new inputs, upper bound and lower bound. So in upper bound we will add measure that we have used in y-axis, and that is total revenue. And in lower bound we want to have 0 because we want to our Lollipop chart starts from 0. And let's create a new measure for that. We will name it lower bound and equal to 0. Simple as that. Now let's find it and add it to lower bound. Okay, now we have here these columns. So now let's just make them a little bit bigger. So select bar option, turn on, set width to let's say 5 or maybe 6, and change bar color to something lighter. Next thing that we're going to do is scroll up, find markers and turn on markers. Expand markers field, and now in shape field you can choose type of markers you want to have. You can set it to circle, square, triangle, and let's change the size of it to 8, and I will leave to circle. And now let's also change a color to, let's use this purple. And next thing what we need to do is to remove this line from our Lollipop chart. How we will do that? Go to lines option, expand it, and below in this line field reduce width to 0. And that's it. This is the definitely easiest and fastest way to create Lollipop chart. Thank you for watching, and please like this video if you find it interesting, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.